What's up, guys? Me again. Today we got a 1923 T-bucket. Belongs to a friend of ours. Come into the garage. He built it in the 70s actually. He's had it ever since. It started out as a kit car from Hot Rod magazine. It's actually an amazing story. They published articles 8 weeks in a row that you could get the specs and build this car. Of course, theirs came small block Chevy. What makes this one cool is the real deal old school Hemi. It's a smaller Hemi. It's not the 426. It's, I don't know, I'm not a Dodge man. 354 cubic inches, I think. Pretty amazing car. It's got a quick change rear end, big giant slicks. It'll rattle the windows when he fires it up. It's pretty awesome. It is a kit car. The body was from, I believe he said A1 fiberglass. Pretty awesome piece, guys.